Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF into your LearnWorlds course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF into your course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes a PDF is going to be used for a download, or sometimes it can help convey information a little bit more clear to your students. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PDF into one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to see all the courses that you have on LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one, and you want to hover over these three dots and click on edit course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the course outline. If not, off to the left, be sure you click here, course outline. Now you can see that I have three different sections or chapters inside my course. So first you want to go ahead and choose the section that you want to add the PDF into. So we'll go ahead and add into this one. So there's actually a few different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is you can go ahead and add an activity. So you're going to basically be adding another section with just the PDF. So you can go ahead and click add activity, and then you're going to scroll down until you see PDF. All right, now you can go ahead and name the PDF right here. It's pasta worksheet. Okay. And you're going to click on save and edit. Okay. Now you can go ahead and click select PDF and choose the PDF that you're going to make available in your course. Okay. You can see that the PDF is uploading. Okay. Now the PDF shows up right here. So now you can go ahead and fill this out if you want. So you can give the description right here. So pasta worksheet. Okay. And then here is where you can go ahead and say how many pages. So let's just say this is 2 pages. And next, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on save. Okay. So now we've added a PDF right here. Now, if you want to add the PDF into a lesson, so for example, right here, we have an ebook. You can just hover over the ebook and then click edit ebook. Okay. So here we have a recipe for spaghetti carbonara. So what you can do is just kind of scroll down to the section that you want the PDF to show up in. So let's say at the very bottom of this, we're going to go ahead and click on this black plus button when you hover over the tips. Okay, once you do that, here on the left side, you want to click on this button here, download file. Okay, so now you're going to see this little button. We're going to grab this. All right, once you've inserted it, it's going to show up right here. So basically what's going to happen is when someone's in my course and they're finished reading through the recipe, at the bottom, they're going to have a download button. So when you click on download, here to the right, you're going to see this option menu, and you want to click here, upload a file. Okay, I grabbed a file. Now you can see the PDF right there. And we're going to click on save here on the top right. Okay, now you should see this pop up, success saved. So now what's going to happen is we've added a PDF 2 different ways in our course. So one is directly into the ebook. So there's a download button. So when they click download, they'll be able to download that PDF. And then the other one is we added a section. So here is the section. So this is a PDF that we have listed underneath this particular Italian well-known recipes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF into your course on LearnWorlds, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.